Hello everyone and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the HexGaming Advanced Premium Edition controller, which features stop triggers, replaceable thumbsticks, 4 rear programmable buttons and an ergonomic thumb grip design. This specific model is called the Origin of Chaos, but there are over 40 other unique designs within HexGaming's Advanced Premium Edition range. Although these controllers do come with a hefty price tag of $250, so let's find out if it's worth it. Inside the box we of course have the well-protected controller, a warranty card, a quick start guide and a bunch of interchangeable thumbsticks. Starting with the controller, the first thing that jumped out to me was the high quality design on the Origin of Chaos. It features a blue and purple swirling faceplate with chrome features and white thumbsticks. It's also worth mentioning that this is the new Xbox Series X style controller featuring the central share button, which has been modified excellently to create this unique design. That of course means the controller is rocking a USB Type-C port and will work with any Xbox wirelessly as well as PC and mobile devices via Bluetooth pairing. Testing out the buttons, they all worked flawlessly apart from one small squeaking issue on the left bumper, which was really unfortunate as the controller was otherwise fantastic to use. The stop triggers were very easy to change thanks to a small button next to each of the triggers. You would for example use a long press for racing games and a shorter press to get an advantage in tactical shooters. HexGaming also offer controllers for the PS5, PS4 and the Xbox One, and you can even create your own designs through their website starting at about $130. I've put all of the relevant links down in the description, so if you are interested make sure to check them out. The quick start guide was very helpful for the button mapping instructions, aside from the very unfortunate spelling mistake of rear, which instead we got rear, but this really isn't a big problem. As for the included interchangeable thumbsticks, we are given 2 regular length concave sticks, 2 medium length dome sticks, as well as 1 long dome stick and 1 long concave stick as well. The thumbsticks are thankfully very simple to change. You just need to pull them off with reasonable force and then line up the slots and push in the replacement. As for the overall build quality, I simply cannot complain. The ergonomic rubber grips fit my hands perfectly and the rear buttons are placed in an optimal position to give you the tactical edge in various games. One thing I was worried about was the rear button setup, but honestly it was so easy to do and worked flawlessly every single time I tried. To do this, simply enter the remap mode by sliding the small switch on the back of the controller, which will turn on a blue light. Then it's a case of holding down the button you wish to map and also holding down the button you wish to map it to at the same time until the blue indicator light flashes. And well, that's literally all there is to it. I decided to test it out in Rocket League by remapping boost to one of the rear buttons, which allowed me to work both the jump and boost buttons simultaneously, which with practice would allow me to step up my game, but please don't judge me here, I really do play horribly when the camera is on me, and it's not an excuse, I promise. But on a serious note, I can absolutely see the advantage of getting a controller with rear buttons. I mean, you've got spare fingers there, so why not use them to your advantage? Unfortunately, this is the first proper modded controller I've ever used, so I really don't have anything to compare it to, but the controller is genuinely flawless aside from the tiny squeaking sound when pressing in the left bumper. Other than that though, I would be more than happy to recommend this controller to you, especially with some of the great customization options they have when creating your own controller through their website. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel if you're new. I hope you all have a great day and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.